Welcome to Incision Instruments, where precision meets perfection. Let's explore what's inside this premium surgical set. 2-piece sealer cutter with golden tips for superior energy sealing. 1-piece scissor crafted for sharp, smooth, and effortless cuts. 2-piece alligator forceps designed for secure and firm tissue grasping. 1-piece Edo clinch for precision handling during delicate procedures. 1-piece bowel grasper built for safe, atraumatic tissue control. 3-piece flip-on reducers for adaptability and smooth workflow. 3-piece monopolar cables and 2-piece bipolar cables for reliable energy transmission. Each instrument is engineered for quality, durability, and surgical excellence. Only from Incision Instruments. Any requirements? Connect with us today and choose Incision Instruments for unmatched quality, precision, and trusted surgical performance.